Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to teach you how you can shorten the straps of any shirt or dress, and we are going to shorten these by about an inch. So the first thing you want to do is cut off a piece of thread. So we're just going to cut a piece of thread and put the thread through the hole in the top of the needle and pull it through, and you're going to pull it until the ends meet at the bottom like this, and then you can just smooth it out with your fingers like that. So it's scary, but the first thing you do is cut the strap off. Trust me, you will not regret it. And now you need to figure out how much you want to take off the strap. I know I want to take about an inch. So I'm going to move it 1 inch in and sew it in place right there. So you're going to take your threaded needle, go in through the main part of the dress and out through the strap. Pull your thread almost through but leave a bit hanging out at the end. Then you're going to go back through the same holes you just went through, creating that loop of thread, and put your needle through the loop and pull it closed. So this makes a knot, and we're going to do at least 3 knots on top of each other to really secure it in place. So all you need to do is continue making those knots on all sides of the strap. So you'll start on this side, move over to the other side. You're just doing a ton of knots, securing the strap to the main part of the clothing. And it's pretty much as easy as that. Once you've done several knots and you feel that the strap is secured in place, all you need to do is cut off your thread and you are done. So you can try and move the strap, wiggle it around, make sure it's nice and secure. So once you have knots all around the strap and it feels nice and secure, it's not going to come out, then all you need to do is cut off your thread like this and cut off those bits of thread from where you started. And now it's so nice and secure. Might not look great from this angle, but I wanted to use white thread that you could see. You could use matching thread to your clothing, but from the other side, you're not going to see it at all. And you can cut off the rest of this fabric right here. Perfect. And that's all you have to do. Now we'll just do the same thing to the other side and we're done. Move it over the same amount. Make a bunch of knots on both sides of the strap. And when you're all done, you just cut off your thread. And now your straps are much shorter. And again, from the other side, it looks very normal. Thanks for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.